Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on a beautiful President's Day Monday, looking at New Bedford as of about 3:30, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, with some sunshine. Temperatures once again feeling like spring, topped out about 55 to 60. In fact, these are the high temperatures today, including 59 in Smithfield, 60 in Providence, 57 in New Bedford. You can see the low 60s in out towards Connecticut as well. Turning colder tonight to the point where we'll actually see some rain and snow showers as it turns colder overnight tonight, but not until well after midnight and towards daybreak on Tuesday. So it's a dry start this evening. These rain and snow showers arriving after midnight and towards Tuesday morning. And I wouldn't consider that something serious as far as huge accumulations here of snow. We're thinking maybe the northern part of the state does squeak out kind of like a slushy dusting. If that, but certainly wouldn't be enough for shovels and plows. And it's really an active weather pattern ahead. Over the next 7 days, 3 chances for precipitation. Of course, the one coming up overnight tonight into part, not all, but part of Tuesday. Another system Wednesday night and especially into Thursday. And then another potential system sometime on Sunday night, Monday of next week. So we'll just kind of take one at a time here. It does turn colder later in the week, specifically Friday and into Saturday. Satellite photo shows were generally clear. Here's the wider view, nice and quiet. We are tracking precipitation a little bit, not much, but there'll be a little system that's going to be sneaking through here overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. And it will bring some mixed precipitation. So let's take this into the future. It's dry at 7 o'clock this evening. Now, this is after midnight, and you can see some of this precip arriving here around 1 in the morning, kind of rain and snow, but trending towards some wet snow in the northern part of the state. And notice it does extend into at least early tomorrow morning, around 7, 8, 9 a.m. I think once we get beyond 9 a.m., this slides offshore. We get into a bit of a lull, and then a second area of moisture arriving Tuesday evening. This would be mainly in the form of light rain, not snow. Temperature well above freezing. This would be 7 o'clock in the evening. That'll slide offshore rapidly. And we jump ahead to Wednesday morning, starting with sunshine, clouds increasing, and then you see this moisture. This is slated for Wednesday night, Thursday. So by Wednesday evening at 9 o'clock, we are tracking a band of some snow in blue and then ice, which is in pink, and then some rain. So the concern here is not so much snow, but rather later Wednesday night into Thursday, I think any snow would, and that's the area in blue, would be confined to north of the Mass Pike. But this pink area is concerning. That would be mixed precipitation, either sleet or freezing rain with some rain along the south shore. So we're going to watch the Thursday time frame very closely. A lot of times the sleet and the freezing rain is more of a problem than snow when it comes to travel, so that we'll keep an eye on that. Let's jump ahead to get a more hyper-local look here. Starting off this evening, it is dry. That precipitation working in around midnight, and then you can see early in the morning on Tuesday, you got a little bit of blue. Whoops, try that again. A little bit of blue indicating some wet snow. Fortunately, temperatures are not terribly cold, so I think any snow that falls, most of it melting on the pavement, but there may be some coatings. I'll show you that in a second. Here we are on Tuesday afternoon around 2 o'clock. It's actually kind of a lull where it's dry. It's mostly cloudy, a lot cooler than it was today. And then by Tuesday evening around 7 o'clock, another round of precipitation, but with temperatures that are in the 40s, 7 p.m. Tuesday. This is mainly in the form of just a quick shot of rain, then clearing later Tuesday night. At this point, I'm not overly concerned about a lot of snow here, daybreak on Tuesday. But with that said, northern Connecticut, right up in here, Willimantic, northeast Connecticut, northwest corner of the state, right, this little light shading. That include northern Bristol, northern Plymouth County, right up in here. That's not 5 inches, that's 0.5, 0.7, 0.2. So there may be some slushy coatings here by early Tuesday morning. The rest of the area it's essentially just wet pavement. And even up here, I don't think this is sticking to the roads, but mostly like grassy surfaces and car tops, that kind of a deal. So it is a dry start this evening. We'll bring in some light showers near or just after midnight. And then on Tuesday morning, it's a mix of snow and rain showers leaning towards snow showers north and then rain showers on the coastline. And notice temperatures here cold, but kind of just above the freezing mark. It'll dry out late morning, but remain mostly cloudy. And the game plan is to have a better part of Tuesday afternoon actually dry, but We'll keep mainly cloudy skies and temperatures in the lower 40s.